Hi folks, George Cabezas here, Keller Williams Real Estate, 786-269-8063, 786-269-8063. I want to show you a listing that I just got. It's a mobile home. The land is rented, but you know, it's a nice size mobile home. Let me show it to you. We're asking $120 for the property. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. There's room to put another bathroom. I'll show you where. And because it's got a big laundry room. So look how nice the property looks. Okay. You got your stainless steel appliances. Okay. All right. Beautiful floors. We're gonna go into 1 bedroom, the smaller one, which they're using as an office. Okay. It's a nice size bedroom. Okay, there's the closet. It's got the nice big tile on the floor. Let me show you from this angle. Okay. They keep it very well kept. We're asking $120,000 for the property. It was built in 1993. Financing is available. Okay, even though you're not buying the land, you're leasing the land. But I have a company that will do the financing for it. Okay. So we're gonna go into the bathroom. It's got a shower. So nice. How well kept this property is. It looks brand new. Look at the tile. The master bedroom. So we're gonna go to the outside, okay? Okay, so the patio area, the yard is approximately 3,910 square feet. They're going to fence. They're gonna finish fencing this part of the yard. Okay, so you'll have a total privacy. That way you won't see the neighbors. Neighbors won't see you. The neighbors are very quiet here, folks. So don't worry about that. But you know, if you want more privacy, they are gonna fence this area, okay? So it has a shed. Look how big the yard is. You could fit about 5 cars in here. There's a gate over there, okay? Look at the very nice shed. They're gonna put the skirting in. They mentioned that they're gonna finish the skirting. All right, and it's a nice size yard, okay? So if you need more information, give me a call, 786-269-8063. My name is George Cabezas. I'm your South Florida realtor. If you need any help with any form of real estate, give me a call. All right, I'm here to serve you. Thank you very much, and hope to do business with you soon. Bye.